Hello, my dear Pharma Network, and here we are again. Dubrovnik is still nice, sunny, and shining, and we have the interview, we have the podcast, and today our guest is Jennifer Cleall, who is leading the global digital transformation for medical and commercial in Ferring.
Yes.
Please tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I've been in pharma a very long time. So I like to think maybe I started when I was 12 because I've been doing it for 24 years. But my background is in technology and medicine. So digital transformation in pharma is a really good fit for me. So I've worked at Eli Lilly, at Gilead, and actually at Salesforce as well on the industry advising side of across pharma, medtech payers and providers. So I've got a lot of experience under my belt related to just how organizations work and particularly how transformation can be successful.
That's amazing because this is the very same angle. Today, we are talking a lot about how medical and commercial teams are working together or they are not working together,
Yes.
right? There is a lot of noise about that topic and just as much noise as about the topic of AI. So the major question today, a part of the transformation, will AI take our jobs?
Will they take our jobs? I think this is something that's on a lot of people's minds. And there's the statement that's going around, right, about AI isn't going to take your job. A human with AI might take your job. But I think really the point is, and certainly in the work that I do, AI can be an enabler, but it's not going to solve our problems. So we actually need to look at the outcomes we want to create and simplify processes and the system before you layer in AI or technology to really advance that. So do I think it's going to take our jobs? I mean, it's not going to take everybody's jobs. You just don't have platforms running on their own. But I think what we do need to do is be smart and deliberate about where we choose to use AI to improve the outcomes that we want to achieve.
It's excellent. So, a part of this digital transformation of medical and commercial, do you think AI has the role of glue to glue these two together and to get them to start working together to look at the very same healthcare professional, but from the different angles? Do you think AI will be a helper, like deal breaker over there?
I think AI can definitely be an enabler. I think you first need to know directionally where you're headed because the way we're operating today and digitizing and using AI for what we do today is not where we need to be in 5-10 years' time. So we really need to be looking at the direction where we need to go. What is that direction of travel? You can use AI to help with that and to help you advance capabilities around that. But it's not going to solve the problem entirely.
That's very true and very honest. And thank you very much for this opinion because we are all just people and we are believing in miracles and we're thinking like, okay, now we can scale, now we can connect, we can break the silos, we can do actually anything. But being just people, what you will advise to us as what we need to take forward from this beautiful, event or just even from our talk today, what you will advise us so that we can take from AI and transformation of us?
So I think my takeaway would be, and certainly and I'm going to do this from an industry perspective, is that we are here as pharma, to improve patient outcomes and to better serve our healthcare professionals to help improve the treatment and those patient outcomes. And so we really need to look at how we're showing up in those engagement opportunities that we have, whether it's with digital online or different channels digitally or through our field reps, through sales reps or with MSLs. And AI can help with that. They can help get those insights and pull those things together. But it's really about making sure that we're adding value to our stakeholders and that we're showing up in the right way and being relevant and with trust.
It's such a nice, attitude to become relevant, to be trustworthy, to trust the technology. It's such a nice advice. So I hope we will be able to embrace and adopt the technology with this attitude. So Jennifer, thank you so much for being
You're
with
very
us
welcome.
today and having this short interview. We will be really following your page and we'll be going to advise if needed. So how can we adopt the technologies and how we can be the better versions of ourselves as professionals. So thank you.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.